If you want more videos of me testing out these extraordinary claims, then type "Make Money Online in 2022" in the comment section below. As per usual, I just want to mention a few things before we get into the video. The first thing is, I'm just going to get into the nitty-gritty and find out if this method is a legit way to make money online. If you are interested in watching everything the creator has to say, I have posted their video link in the description below. Then I'll also post all links mentioned in my video in the description. Second thing is, when I need to create accounts or do any tedious tasks like writing posts or comments, I will fast forward through that process as I don't want to bore you guys, and it's quite simple to do. Then once I have created the posts or the comments, I will show you what I have written. The last thing is to remember to stay right until the end of the video so you can actually see if I get any results or if this method is actually worth pursuing. So let's get into it. In the video linked in the description, this video creator claims that we can make $2,193.45 or more per day with CPA marketing, and it is for beginners. This is a bit different to my last two videos, so let's see how this goes. In the beginning, this creator says we are going to use popular movies to get traffic and then monetize that traffic. So that sounds quite interesting. Let's hope it's not any black hat method or grey hat method, as they say. With this creator, at least he shows a screenshot, or not really a screenshot, it's actually his earnings on his computer or laptop, and he refreshes the screen so you can see it's real. So this looks quite promising. The first thing we need to do is just go into Google here and type in boxofficemojo.com. Right, we're then brought to this website over here. The creator says that this website shows us the most popular movies or trending videos or movies, as well as the most grossing videos or movies. On his video, the videos listed here under latest dailies is quite different to what I have here. So I don't know how long ago he created this video, although he did only upload it recently. Well, I just got the answer to my question now. So he goes to this tab that's called calendar, and I can see it's from November 2021. So he made this video around, where we now, January. So let's say around about 3 months ago, and he's only posted it in the last week. So I don't know. I hope this method still works. The creator then tells us to click on this tab called indices. I think that's how you say it. That's how he says it. Then this gives you the top brands in the USA and Canada, with Marvel Comics obviously being the highest grossing. The creator then goes to tell us that he, as well as many people, and I won't lie, I have also done it, we've gone to Google to type in a movie we wanted to watch, and obviously we've said free download or streamed for free. So I'm kind of now catching on to the idea of what we're going to do here, which I don't know if this is going to work. Well, let's see what he says we must do, and then we can decide if it's going to work or not. He does explain that there's millions of people that don't want to pay for things like Netflix, Amazon Prime. I know we have Showmax in South Africa, which is true. Not millions of people don't want to pay for it. If they can watch it for free, why not? So he goes a bit further now and breaks down what we're actually going to do. So we are going to use a CPA program. We're going to use their content locker. So when someone clicks on that content locker link, they will be presented with some surveys or maybe something they need to do in order to get to the movie that they want to watch. And I'm thinking that we're possibly going to go to one of these websites that offer free streaming or free movie downloads and put the content locker or the link to that video behind the content locker. So the person clicks on our content locker has to either answer questions or opt into something. We then get a commission, and then they will be directed to the video streaming site or video download site once they've put in their email address or answered the survey. So we get our commission and they get their movie. So I don't think there's anything wrong with that. So let's just see what else he has to say. The creator then says we should use a program like CPAleads.com. So I already have an account with them. So I'm just going to go to that website quickly. And so this is the website we're going to use to create the content locker. If you haven't got an account, you'll just click the sign up button. I do have an account, so I'm just going to log in. And if I remember correctly, CPA Lead was quite easy to sign up. There was no application process. No one phoned you to do an interview with you. You basically signed up and you just had to confirm your email and you had an account. I'm not sure if it's still like that. So you'll have to just complete the app or complete the form, sign up and see what happens. But if I remember correctly, it was quite an easy process. So I'm just going to log in quickly and then I'll meet you on the other side. So I've logged into my dashboard here. And the creator actually brings up a good point that I haven't explained yet. He explains what a CPA is. So it stands for cost per action. So you need your website visitor to take an action in order to get a commission. And it's normally things like submitting an email address or completing a certain survey or something to that effect. And once they do that, you get a commission. To show you an example, if we click on this offer, will you be a millionaire? So the description says for everyone who completes the action, you get 17 cents. It will tell you the type that you can advertise on, which is mobile and Android. And it is an active campaign, so you can promote it. And then the country you can promote it to is only Canada. Sometimes you can choose, sometimes there's more than one country that you can promote to, but in this case, it's only Canada. And the description, you need to take a 1-minute survey to find out if you can be a millionaire. So that is the thing you will need to get your website visitor to do to enable to get this payout of 17 cents. I hope that makes sense. As the creator explains, 17 cents is not a lot of money, but if you get a lot of people completing the survey, it can build up to be quite a large sum. And obviously it's much easier than trying to get a website visit to buy something. Yeah, they only have to complete a survey or fill in their email address as a lead, and then you get that commission. So this is a much easier form, and that's why the payouts are so low. So the next website we have to go to is Google Ads. Now, this is where my alarm bells start going off. I do not think Google Ads will allow you to use a content locker. I don't think your ad will be approved, but let's see. According to him, it will be. So we'll carry on with this method and see what happens. I'm willing to put in a few bucks just to see if this works. I do have a Google Ads account, so I'm going to just go to Google Ads and just log into my dashboard quickly. So I've logged into my Google Ads dashboard and we need to create a new campaign. So we're going to click on this button that says new campaign. The creator then says we want to click on web traffic and then on search and click continue. So for your business website, we need to create our content blocker and then put that link in here. I still don't think this is going to work, but we'll try it. So let's go back to the CPA Lead dashboard. So the creator says we should click on lockers, but I see the menu items are a bit different to his, and I assume it's because he made this video about 3 months back and CPA Lead have updated their website since then. So I'm going to try click on this content locking. So we've run into a problem here. The content locking is no longer supported by CPA Lead, and you can pause your screen and just read what they have to say here, and it makes sense. So because this creator made this video in November and he only posted it in a few days ago, the problem is this video will not work anymore. So yeah, again, frustrating because now I can't really test this because I can't do the content locking. I'm just going to quickly run through this through CPA lead quickly and just see if we can do it on a single offer. So I don't think this will work with a single offer. I've been through it and I found this offer wall, but it will also not work with an offer wall because your website visitor earns points by just completing one of these. So it's not the same as the content locker. So unfortunately, it looks like we can't go any further. And to be absolutely honest with you, even if we were able to create the content locker, I can tell you now for a fact, and if you don't believe me, you can contact Google. Google would not have approved your ad. So no way would this have worked. And if he managed to do it, I don't know how he got around it. But yeah, as many of these videos that I watch about these extraordinary claims, there's always something about it that doesn't seem to work. And I feel many of these videos I watch that I try replicate, it's just about getting ad revenue at the end of the day for them. They don't care if the strategy works or doesn't work, as long as they get thousands of views so they can make money on the ads. And that's what I'm getting. And I'm thinking I will still do these videos, but I am thinking of maybe getting away from this and doing some videos for actual legitimate ways to make money. But the problem with that is it involves work. And I don't think many of these people who watch these types of channels are prepared to do hard work. They want instant riches, quick riches, and they want the money now. They don't want to wait a couple of months, or sometimes it can happen quicker, but the norm is a few months before you actually start seeing any profits, especially if you do it the free way. And there's never really a free way. You're either using your time or money to get to where you want to go. And most of the time you're using both time and money, because at the end of the day, you do need a website. I see a lot of them promote you don't need a website and that, but you do need a website. You need your own property that you can drive traffic to with some affiliate offers or CPA offers that they can complete. So I am thinking about that and maybe running a series of how we set up a website, how we pick affiliate offers, how we drive traffic to those affiliate offers, and see if we make money. I can't even guarantee you that I would make money doing that, but I'm willing to maybe just show you the reality of trying to run an online business, that it is not for the faint-hearted, and it probably takes months before you see any real results. But I'm going off on a tangent now. That's a story for another day. I am thinking of doing that. But in the meantime, I'll try to find more videos and we can test them. But anyway, that's it. So again, we found a video that doesn't really work. So because of what I've just said, that is basically my conclusion of this method. And again, I am giving it a big fat thumbs down. 3 out of 3.